just wanted to come on really quick and film two projects that I just finished, and especially because this one I'm giving to my sister-in-law tomorrow. This is, I hope you can see it. This is a holder for a water bottle. It fits. It'll fit a ½ liter bottle, but also, like, I have something here, and it would fit this also. Let me see if I can show you. So, the bottles, squeeze it out, fill it out, and then you have this strap here that would go over your shoulder. This is made from some purple. Okay, I don't have any purple here, but I have some white. This is a plastic bag that I cut off. It's a relatively thin one, a grocery bag. And I have this actually sitting out separately because I save the ones that have no pattern, that are all white, to make. I want to try and crochet a doll out of it. And for a doll, I don't want any little bits of color on it. I just want it all white. So I had some purple sacks that I have a little jug of, just I sort them by color after I cut them up. So I also used, I don't know if you can see here, there's this, see the threads? There's some purple and there's some white. They're both, I assume they're both synthetic. The white is this stuff, and the purple, I won't even go into how I have these cones, but you see it's pretty thin, and I wanted something stronger, which is why I added the white. I take the plastic and the two threads and I crochet them all together. I think I just did a 4 chain and then 12 double crochet American or treble British into the center. You could do a magic ring if you wanted. And then I do 2 in this next row. And then I crochet into the inner, no, it's the outer loop. And I do 1 row of just the treble, or the British treble or American double crochet. And then for the rows after that, what I'll do is I will do 3 crochet, then I'll do a chain and skip over 1. And so I have these little blocks. It's sort of a variant on filet crochet. Yeah, anyway, and then I just do a long, when I get to the top, I think I have here, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows total. And it'll stretch out, and it's going to fit a ½ liter bottle fine. And then I just, at one of the places, I crochet up this very, very, very long loop to make the strap. Okay, I like these. I need to make more of them, but my sister-in-law in particular asked for one, so I made one for her. This, I don't know if I like it or not. There was something on Pinterest, and I'll try to link to where it led. It led to a crochet crowd of YouTube tutorial by Mikey, who's a fantastic teacher. But also his instructions, which I wound up just printing up because I didn't want to watch a 45-minute video for this market bag. And the trick with it, as he explained, is that it's got this very wide mouth. Yeah, it's very, so if you have to put something big in there, I just finished it. I haven't used it for anything. I don't know if things would fall out the sides. I don't know. Probably not. Probably be kind of bulging. Because it's going to be kind of bulging when you fill it with stuff. That's why I'm not so sure I liked it. And since I wasn't sure I was going to like it, I took 2 different kinds of thread to give it strength, but not particularly colors I was fond of, so that I save the colors I'm fond of. So it's these 2 things, which I got in the same circumstances that I got that purple cone. Actually, a lot of this stuff is from the same place. So, but yeah, so it's the brown and this cream together, and it's this, which, I mean, it doesn't have to be the prettiest colors in the world. It's serviceable. I might use it, but I made it a tiny bit longer than he said. But when I got to the point of being fed up and I wanted to push myself to keep going, I said, you know what? You're doing this as an experiment. It doesn't matter. Stop when you're ready. So these are the two things. I'm going to try and link the Mikey's, oh dear, it's showing here. No, this. I'm going to try and link Mikey's a page to his that has his video on it in the description. And yeah, just wanted to share. Thanks.